Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, just want to wish you guys a happy Easter. That's basically the gist of this video. We're all staying healthy, staying safe, staying indoors. Well, make sure to get outside and get some sunlight. Make sure to get some exercise to help maintain your overall mental health during this time. So I hope you guys enjoy just the day with your family and stuff like that. It's good to always kind of like reflect on the situations that you're currently in, try to make the most of it. So I wish you all the best. Guys, as I said, I'm going to be doing shout outs to everyone who subscribes on Life Made Easy podcast. So if I just switch over right here, I just want to give a big shout out to all these guys right here who help supporting the podcast. We're up to 18 subscribers. So if you guys would just head over there, subscribe, I'll give you guys shout outs on my videos. So yeah, guys, channel's doing really well. Pretty solid views coming in. Also, guys, made it this far into the video, I'm interested in doing a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions that you want to ask me, make sure to leave those in the comments down below, because I'd be happy to make Q&A video. Or if you'd like me to make a live Q&A, like go live on YouTube, and you guys can ask me questions live, and I can do that as well. So guys, I'm gonna be pushing out podcast episodes Monday, Thursday, twice a week. Hopefully I can get those out on time. I just recorded one yesterday on Star Wars with Tim, so that went really well, and hopefully to record one tomorrow as well. So that's awesome. Podcast is going really well. It's been awesome. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and catch you guys on the next video from Life Made Easy.